Good day, you guys. This is a male baboon spider. This time of year, male baboon spiders, it's usually end of winter, beginning fall. Males usually wander around in search of females. And this time of year, I get quite a lot of these in. And they're a critically endangered species, so we're trying to save as much as we can of them. They're stunning animals. They hardly ever aggressive. These males, they can walk for far to search for females. Now, females usually burrow and live most of their lives in their burrows, where the males walk around, search for pheromones, stuff like that. When they pick it up, they go in search of the females. But like you guys see over here, it's not a dangerous species, not out to get people, not trying to bite people. Very cool, very misunderstood creatures. One of my all-time favorite animals, and we're doing all we can to save them for the future generations. This is an average size for a male. Males don't grow so big. Females grow 5, 6 times bigger than this one. You can see it's a male because it's got those claspers on the end of its front feet, which it used for procreation during mating. It holds the female's front legs and then lifts the female to the front. But yeah, one of my all-time favorite animals and stunning misunderstood creatures.